Good morning. It is Thursday, April 11th, 2024. Ugly CPI yesterday. Not a surprise. I don't know anyone was expecting a decline yesterday. The only question was it going to be at best flat month over month or went up? And it went up. You heard me talk about high gas and oil the past many weeks, if not months, right? So it's not a surprise. I'm disappointed in the data because I'm disappointed that oil and gas company are raping us for no good reason other than greed. Yes, greed. But all right, let's jump right into it. FedEx. Every time I brought up FedEx the last few months, I talk about this make no sense, this move here. This makes sense. This make no sense. Too bad I didn't. I missed my chance to short. Okay, I thought about it when I made that video. When I talk about it in the stream, maybe was it like 2 weeks ago or a week ago? That make no sense. I thought about doing like a 285, 275 bear put spread, but for whatever reason, I didn't do it. My miss, okay, because that would have been a banger, a winner for sure. Now what? Is it too late? For now, I'm watching it. It's on my watch list because I do think filling the gap is pretty much in the card. All right, so here's my plan. If there is a bounce, which I don't think there is because I'm looking at pre-market right here, and it looks like it's gonna dip. But it looks like it's gonna fill the gap. Okay. If you want to go long, I would say do a selling a put spread down here. The confluence of the 50 and the 100 might be the first spot to be worth buying share if you want to be long in FedEx. All right. Otherwise, as I would say, do not buy at the gap fill. I do think that it has more to go because it makes no sense. Okay, it makes no sense. And high oil, high transport expenses is not good for FedEx. It's not good for UPS. It's not good for anything. Not airline. Nothing. The transport entire sector would be hurt right now this past month with high oil costs. Okay, so do not think that this is a bargain. MRK, yeah, fill the gap, and bounce off and held the 20. It must. And right now the 20 and the 50 confluence, that's about as strong of a support as you can have. If that break, say hello down here. Okay, to me, down here is an easy decision to buy. Look at it. Look at the chart. You got, let's go way back. Okay, go way back. Let's draw in. You can see that I have not traded MRK in, I can't remember trading MRK in the last 3+ years. That's why the chart is so clean. Look, you see this? Yeah. So on a market meltdown, if the overall market 3 to 5% lower, can MRK come down to that buy zone for us? Yes, and it is a definite buy. Look, resistant, consolidation, breakout, check back, breakout, gap up. Okay, so yeah, for sure, I'm gonna put in an alert right here because I think, a breakdown below that right there, below the low of yesterday, will become a move that can go all the way down there. and then I might do, if there's enough juice, a put spread, say one in the at the highest maybe 120, 115. But yeah, MRK in play. Bank of America. What do you think? I like Bank of America. I like it even more when it broke out above this white line. Right now it's holding, but on weakness, where would I, the first spot would to add would be in this area of consolidation right here in the 35.5 range. But to me, right here, okay, you have the confluence of ref high, multi, over year high, and the 50 MA. So yeah, 50 MA would be the spot to buy. Okay, if you want to play even safer, sell a put spread where 34, 30, something like that down here. But I still like Bank of America. It's just that if the market have a 3 to 5% down move in the next couple of weeks, it's gonna be hard to believe that any one of these can hold up. Okay, let's end this on Costco. Okay, Costco had an amazing run, amazing. I missed it, and then I start to trade Costco put spread again with success on this earning beatdown, and I'm glad I did not buy the dip, but just play the put spread because guess what? It rolled over. Okay, and once again, it's a no touch. Where would I buy? Where would I buy this? Okay, at the minimum, I have an alert here. If it break down below this right here, the low last week, then I think seeing the 100 is very likely. Where I would likely buy is more in the 666 area down here. Okay, to me, that's the area. Ideally, even lower, right? No brainer if it come down into this the 200 MA. Yeah, no brainer. If the market correct, once again, if the market correct, you can expect every single stock will revisit whatever moving average is below it. It doesn't matter if it's a 20, doesn't matter if the 50 or 100, it will all coming down to those levels. The bots are going to look to get the stock there, whether it is pulling orders, buy a strike to suck the stock down there, or short the F out of the stock to get it down there. Okay, so if we have a 3 to 5%, which we will, yesterday, late day bounce, oof. I'm not sure who the heck was buying at the last hour of the market to bring it back up a little bit, but good luck with that. All right, be safe. Later.